Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to download Valorant on both PC and laptop. So all you have to do is go to the site playvalorant.com. Now you need to click on play for free and you will get this option. Choose your platform on PC or laptop, so then you can just click on PC. If you don't have a Riot account, you can make one, or you have the option to sign in to your Riot account. I have a Riot account, so I will just sign in. And now you can just click on the download button. And you see, it will start to download. You may get the option to choose where you would like to download a file. Now that it's completed, you just have to click on it and you have to accept Valorant to make changes. And now you will see Valorant pop up. Now you have to install the game. And now you just have to accept Riot Client to make changes on your device. And as you will see, the Riot Launcher will pop up. And now you just have to click on Install Valorant. You can choose what path you want, and then you just click on Install. If you haven't logged into a Valorant account, you will get the option to log into a Valorant account before starting the download. And there you have it. That's how you download Valorant on your PC or laptop. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. And I see you in the next one.